So I'm just going to do a video on how we have to now fit these spandrels to make them pass with the NHBC, because it's changed like 5 times in about 10 years how we've got to fit them. So first of all, across the ceiling cord we've got to do a 4x1 over 4 trusses with a strap on it, and it's got to have at least 8 screws in the strap, and they've got to be at 1.2. So there's 7 of them across the ceiling cord, and then they're screwed into the blockwork. And then also the vertical straps here screwed in, they're every 1.2 as well, so they'll go in between these ones like that. So there's like 7 of them. And then if the panel comes in 2, we've got to put fireboard up the middle with fire mastic. And then we have to do these, another 4x1 over 4 trusses again, every 1.2, and then a 3x2, I don't know if you can see it, stitched to the panel, same shape as the roof, and then those 4x1s then across there are fixed into the timber that's fixed to the panel, if that makes sense. Whereas before we used to put like a strap on that and fix it to the vertical part of the panel where there's timber behind it. And then we've done another way as well, so it just keeps changing. And then this is also a mirror image, so whatever we've got on the ceiling cord here we've got on the other side. So there's like 14 straps across the bottom, which takes forever screwing them all up. It's just not the vertical strap on the other side, because obviously it's flush with this brick, this block work. And we've also got to sit it on the insulation. I think that's more for like sound travel rather than the fire, but I think it does both. Also, we've got to do these fire boxes now, so all 4 sides firebox on top of the soffit and masticed as well. You can see what I mean a bit more there with the timber. So the timber's stitched to the panel here, and then the 4x1 is fixed into that, so it's like sandwiched both sides. It's pretty solid, but you just keep changing the mind. And then all the straps there, all the straps there. So yeah, that's how we've got to fit it now. Don't know how everyone else is fitting. You can go down a site 2 minutes down the road and they do it bloody differently. So it's a bit of a pain in the arse really. Should go back to just block.